Hey guys, Mobile Geezer, and I'm back with an article from TechCrunch about the Clicks Communicator, and the guys at Clicks have said for months that they'd have some kind of hands-on video by the end of June, and they just made it. Today is June 30th, and they did get their hands-on video out today, so I just wanted to cover that.
All right, let's do it.
So let's go take a look over on TechCrunch. Click shows off its BlackBerry-inspired phone in a new hands-on video, written today by Sarah Perez. So let's drop into review. Clicks Technology, a startup that's preparing to launch its own take on the BlackBerry smartphone, is showing off what it has in store in a new video released today. The device known as the Clicks Communicator was introduced at January's Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas to cater to people who do a lot of work on their phones like texting and emailing. It's particularly meant to appeal to those who miss the BlackBerry's physical keyboard, which some argue is better for these types of tasks. Priced at $499, the Communicator looks a lot like a modern-day BlackBerry might, with a screen for viewing and responding to messages and a tactile, touch-sensitive keyboard below. And as you guys know, I put my pre-order in way back months ago. So just like everybody else, I'm just waiting, so kind of excited that they got the hands-on out. The phone goes beyond being just a BlackBerry dupe, however, by innovating in other areas. For instance, its clever Signal Light feature offers a light-up button on the side of the phone that can be customized with different colors and light patterns to indicate when you've received messages from certain people, groups, or apps. That's pretty cool, I think. It also offers customizable back covers that can be popped off and swapped, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a physical SIM card tray in addition to an eSIM, expandable micro SD storage up to 2 terabytes, and a tactile switch for turning on or off airplane mode. The Clicks Communicator may also appeal to the growing number of users looking to distance themselves from modern-day smartphones with their addictive social apps and games. The company partnered with the Niagara launcher to provide access to the Android apps it runs. With the Signal Light, you can safely ignore your phone unless you see a critical notification come through. Now here we're going to see the image from Clicks Technology, but let's drop it out of review just for a moment and let you see that the link to the video, and it's a little over 6 minutes long, is right here. So you can click on that and watch that. It is worth watching. So let's go back into review and finish this up. In the new video, the company shows its pre-production hardware and internal software as a preview of what's to come when the phone begins shipping in the fourth quarter of this year. And you guys are probably aware that I also have the Titan 2, and I have the Titan 2 Elite Pro on order that's supposed to be coming, I believe, in September or October. Now, the Titan 2 Elite is already out, but I pre-ordered the Titan 2 Elite Pro, so I'm still waiting for that. So, of course, by the end of the year, I'll be comparing these two. At CES, TechCrunch was able to get a feel for the Communicator by handling a prototype that was the same size and weight as the device that's preparing to ship at the end of this year. We found it felt good to hold, not too light or heavy, and was easy to grip. The keys were also fairly clicky, giving it a BlackBerry-like feel, though the team was then planning to slightly adjust the pressure to make the device work better for fast typers. Future videos will go more in-depth into specific Clicks Communicator features, like the Signal Light, prompt key, message hub, touch-sensitive keyboard, and more. So just wanted to make you guys aware that they did fulfill their promise of getting a hands-on out by the end of June, and he just made it. So, that's all I've got for now, guys. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.